Nike replacing embattled CEO John Donahoe. Nike is making a significant change with CEO John Donahoe set to retire on October 13th. The company aims to revamp after limited progress in its business overhaul efforts. Former senior executive Elliott Hill will come out of retirement to become president and CEO. Hill will begin leading the company on October 14th, while Donahoe moves into retirement. Previously, Hill handled all commercial and marketing operations for Nike and Jordan brand. Donahoe acknowledged it was time for a leadership change, according to Nike's announcement. Hill had retired in 2020, but a major shift at Nike was seen as inevitable. Nike is already conducting a $2 billion cost-cutting campaign, including significant layoffs. The company faced challenges from new competitors and issues like the MLB uniform debacle. Market reaction was positive, with Nike shares rising over 9% in after-hours trading. Donahoe struggled with Nike's direct-to-consumer business, which stagnated recently. Hill plans to focus on delivering bold, innovative products, addressing a major consumer concern.